Hi, everybody. My name's Christine Vienna Knifick, and I'm the VP of Customer Success here at Wiser. We started in the space of career and alumni services for colleges and universities. At the time, it was a slow and steady start. It was started by three co-founders. We're Cleveland-based, and like I said, we serve the higher education market. When pandemic hit in 2020, of course, everything changed. The universities and our partner institutions were starting to call in and say, career and alumni services is great. Can you help me with all of these other things? So what that meant for Wiser was that we suddenly had a giant boom in business and yet still no core CS function. We realized really quickly that we would need to scale up. I was given a few spreadsheets and I didn't have much else, and that terrified me. I didn't feel like I had my arms around what I was looking at. Like everyone else in 2020, we were remote, so it was really important for us that we had the digital tools in place to do it. So I immediately implemented a customer success platform, in this case Tatango. That spreadsheet was not going to work for me. So it was really critical for me that we get that and we get the information flowing back and forth between HubSpot, back and forth between Segment.io, our product usage data. That was really absolutely mission critical. So immediately, I was able to start providing full visibility to my executive team, full visibility and reporting to our board of directors and proving out this new concept that I was introducing and proving to them that we were ready to scale. I couldn't have done anything without Tatango. We started developing automation really extensively. We didn't wait, so some of this had already begun. I'm a big believer that automation can benefit you, at least in some small capacity, almost right away. Our customer success managers started to say after a couple of months in that they were tapping out at about a $250,000 ARR portfolio. And that was not what we needed to scale. I knew that if we were going to maintain our headcount, we were going to have to take steps like a tiered coverage model, like an automation and other things to support us. And now each of our reps are at about 4 or 5 times that in their capacity. We, in fact, are projecting a very, very large scale for the next calendar year. And we're not planning to add any headcount to our success team. We then realized that a lot of the problems that we were experiencing and the bottlenecks that we were experiencing was because we at first didn't have a tiered coverage model. We were treating every customer the same, regardless of their contract value, regardless of their strategic logo status, anything. And very quickly, my team was starting to say that they were very, very overwhelmed with their books of business. Using the automation to help us scale portfolio size was really important. Bringing the team in and having them help collaborate on what that turned into allowed me to not be the only person in charge of everything, and also have them buy in and really get us to the scale where we needed to be. All of our customer tiers benefit from digital engagement, so we're very excited there.